Alright guys, welcome back to a camper van build, the Iveco Daily. I've been putting a job off and it's the bulkhead. I need to put tongue and groove all in the bulkhead to box it in and build a frame. I've bought all the tongue and groove. It's just a job I've been putting off because it's a bit of a pain for me to do, to be honest with you. So today what I'm going to do is push it off even longer and do this instead. This needs all covering in. So I've put a piece of wood there, not screwed in yet. I've put a piece of wood there and I've cut a piece of wood out that will fit in there like that at an angle. I'll rewire this to there, put a cigarette lighter socket in there and cover this with 4-way stretch carpet, and it should, when it's done, look a lot smarter. Now first of all, when I pinned this up, you could see silver through there, the door, and here you can see a bit of white. You still see a bit of white there. So what I've done, I've put a little strip of 4-way stretcher there so you can't see where the gaps are. So down to the back garden now, and let's glue that 4-way stretcher to that piece of wood and fit it, see what it looks like. Okay, see you in the garden. Alright guys, in the garden, there's my 4-way stretch laid down, ready to be glued, and I'm going to spray on that side. Make sure you get this the right way around. It's very nice, that end. This side's a bit flat in texture. So that's a spray we use. You buy this from Iveco Daily. Dead easy to do. On the right, there you go. Do the wood first and on the cloth. It's better than I thought, this tin. It really comes out nice. Don't buy the cheap pound shop stuff, it's horrible, comes out in a single line. This is brilliant, this. If you want to buy that, Evil Bay, about £4. Right. Right, I'm going to lay, oh that's gone. Right, I'm going to lay the wood on top of the, there we go, and put a bit of spray on the back of the wood as well, just around the edges. There we go, just to help it stick. Right. Doesn't really matter what this side looks like, but I better check the other side's on alright. Yeah. There's glue on the table, you see. I don't want to put this velvet on the glue so it'll mark it, so I've got to keep it in the same place. Right, let's flip it over, see what it looks like. There we go. Lovely. And that's the side we'll see. Right. Got a hole cut out there for the cigarette lighter socket. So we'll do that now, we'll cut that hole out. That's really nice, that. Really nice. Right, I've just been to get my scissors and my Stanley knife. And to cut that hole out, I'm just going to put a cross in it. Just a little cross like that. So hopefully the cigarette lighter socket will fit in there. I think I've got a big pocket. Oh yes. There we go. Lovely, just put the nut on the back. Tighten that up. And then wire it up in the van. Spare clips are already there. There we go. Magic. It looks really nice. It'll hide everything. I mean, look at the back, it looks terrible. But you never see that. You only see that, and that's wonderful. Right, let's go back to the van. Alright guys, back in the van, and here's the finished product with the cigarette lighter socket, which I've got to plug these wires into. Hopefully that'll reach just nicely. So, first of all, see if I can get them in. Got to find out which is positive. Right, that one's positive at the bottom. So, positive at the bottom. That's it, positive on, negative on. Get the cables in. And about there. Looks good. 2 screws, I've already tried it once without the ends caught my screwdriver. Stay. There it is. Yeah, that came out my screwdriver at the end, so right. Looks good to me. 1 screw. 2 screws. Done. Right, and now to try the television, see if the television works. Oh yeah, there's power and television's on, great. I'm happy with that, looks a load better, and 2 screws is enough to hold it. So, let's have a closer look at it. Alright guys, I'm very happy with that, it tidies up a hell of a lot. Obviously I've got a lot of work to do on the door, on here, but above it looks loads better. Nice and tidy that. With my cigarette lighter socket, instead of dangling down here, it's all in, and there's power going to it because there's a little green light on which goes to my TV, a little 12-volt telly. Fantastic, happy with that. Alright, that's another, God, it's warm in here, I'm sweating. Right, that's another video done for the camper van build, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment and I will reply. Bye for now.